Hey guys, this is day 4 of video journaling challenge, and we are talking about my personal journaling, that what I did yesterday. So as usual, I wake up 6 a.m. and I come to the ground, or I do exercises, meditation and running. After it completed, I go to home and did some related work to trading, like putting AMOs order, and after it I make salad for me and eat that salad. In salad I am taking now kheera, chucundar, or onion and kakdi. These things I am taking in salad. After taking salad, my trading hours has been started. I traded 3:30 because yesterday there was no trading opportunities to trade. So what I did, I watched two podcasts. First is about Islam, and the gentleman known as Dr. Ilyasi, that is also a Muslim, you can say, guru, chief guru. So he tell about the um, Islam religion, what is the teachings of Islam, and brushed lots of myth. And he is a very nice person. His kind of person, if able to produce all the religion, or all the um, gurus, if they have the similar um, mindset, then I think there may be any kind of conflict the world have, because he is very good at, he is very, मतलब आप उसको बोल सकते हैं सहिष्णु। उनको मतलब दूसरे जो कर रहे हैं उससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप भी अपना करो, वो भी अपना करे, और दूसरों की हेल्पिंग नेचर वो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। तो वो आप जाके उनका पॉडकास्ट देख सकते हैं। सुधांशु मिश्रा नाम से शायद चैनल है, तो उनके चैनल पे वो देखा था, 2 घंटे का पॉडकास्ट था। देन आफ्टर आई वॉच्ड पॉडकास्ट ऑफ राजीव ठाकुर, दैट इज़ known as the Kapil Sharma show, the friend of Kapil Sharma. He is talking about lots of things, like success and his journey, how he come from a small town Amritsar, and how he worked in Laughter Challenge. After Laughter Challenge, he come to Comedy Circus, and um, now in Kapil Sharma show, and he is talking me very good thing, that is he is now working in Habitat, that is uh, that is stand up comedy uh, palace, where he is not taking any kind of money from the organizer. That is the learning for me, that if you want to improve yourself, you can work for free, you can polish your skills for free, and after that you can charge for that. If your skills or your job is very good, and if you have already proved that you are good at something, then it is very likely to happen that you are going to getting paid, and public or people will of course they will pay you money. That is the very important learning for me yesterday, that if you want to do whatever that you want to do, if there is an opportunity to work free, or from that you can learn lots of things, you never to be hesitant to do work for free. That is the learning for me. And after it, after 3:30 work has trading has been done, I then nothing is special. A normal day, I play with my daughter, and some kind of shorts that I watched, and I started an SMRA certificate course videos, and after it I go for play badminton, and then when I come to home I slept, I think 10 10:30 p.m. And one thing I observed, when I exercise in morning and play badminton in night, I feel very good, and I I slept very well. I don't before I do not exercise or play badminton, I have to struggle for sleep. I I do not sleep 1 a.m. or 12 a.m. That is the kind of routine I have. But after this kind of habits I have developed for me, now it is very easy to sleep 10 or 11 a.m. between this 1 hour. That is the achievement for me, that I am able to sleep on time and wake up on time. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please like hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is only for my personal uh, skill, or you can say growth of my personal health, wealth, or mental health, this kind of things. If you want to enjoy this kind of things yourself, you can be inspired by me. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.